Hello everyone, my name is Meghana. It's a computer science and engineering student. So we are presenting on the topic Agile tools. In this Agile tool topic, we have chosen the Agile tool Azure DevOps. So mainly our team consists of 4 members, myself Meghana, and my other teammates are Megha Hiremath, Onkar S Bevinakatti, Ranjita Mahajanashettar. So now let us have a look on how it works. Agile DevOps. Now let us start with the introduction to Azure DevOps. Azure DevOps is a suite of development services designed to help teams plan, develop, test and deliver software faster and more efficiently. It brings together all the tools needed for the entire software development lifecycle, fostering a culture of collaboration and continuous improvement. So the mainly the features which the Azure DevOps includes are: it integrates development, testing and deployment. It supports various programming languages and platforms. It enhances team collaboration and productivity. So mainly understanding of the Agile methodology. So we have a cycle which is as shown in this. Agile is an iterative approach for project management and software development that helps teams deliver value to their customers faster and with fewer headaches. So mainly the focus on this Azure DevOps is customers. So they give value for their customers and their needs, and it emphasizes flexibility, collaboration and continuous improvement. So mainly the life cycle consists of 4, that is iteration, which works in short cycles. So it is also called as sprints. Next, collaboration, so which is for cross-functional teamwork. And we have adaptability, which respond to change quickly. Lastly, the feedback, which is more important, which is like regular input for the stakeholders. So it is all very important. Next, we have Azure boards, so which is also known for its visualizing work. Azure boards provide powerful tools for planning, tracking and discussing work across the teams. So it helps to keep everyone aligned and focused on delivering value. Work in terms, like it defines user stories, features, bugs and tasks. Next, Kanban boards. These visualize workflow, identify bottlenecks and improve flow. Sprint planning. Organize and prioritize work for upcoming sprints. Next, the last one is customization. Tailor boards to your team's specific needs. This is all about the Azure boards which visualizes the work.
Hello, I am Onkar S Bevinakatti, a future computer science and engineering student. So I am continuing the HCOM. So the next title is sprints and backlogs, which is an iterative process. So sprints are fixed length iterations where teams complete a set of work from their product backlog. This structured approach helps manage complexity and maintain predictable. So these are the 4 terms. First one is product backlog, second one is sprint planning, third one execution, and the fourth one is sprint. So the first one, product backlog, which is prioritizes the list of features and requirements. Second one, sprint planning. Team selects items for the upcoming sprints. third one is execution, which is the main part. Development and testing during this sprint. So it is the main important part to develop and test the sprints during the sprints. So fourth one is sprint review. After developing and testing, it is very important to test or review that software for the better understanding from the developers and also the customers. So the next part is demonstrate completed work to stakeholders. So the next part is Azure DevOps, which is a version control and collaboration. The collaboration is the main part in the software development, which brings many users or many developers to work on the same project. It is best practice and Azure DevOps provides unlimited cloud-hosted Git repositories for your code. It's the central hub for source code management, enabling seamless collaboration among developers. So developers here, more than one developers or group of developers work on the same project to provide the best software to the customers. Here, these are the steps. Git integration, industry standard distributed version control. So one of the main and one of the best version control is GitHub, which is used by many developers in the software development industry. Next one is pull regression. It facilitates code reviews and ensures quality. Where one developer writes the code and pull is refreshed. So other developers can review that code and merge into the GitHub repository. So next one is branching strategy. Manage parallel development effectively. So in the GitHub there are the developers can easily create branches. So after reviewing all the code, if it is correct, then the host can merge all the branches to provide a best development software. Next one is code security. Protect our intellectual property with robust features. So the next part is Azure DevOps, which is a CI/CD automation. Automate your build, test, and deployment process with Azure DevOps. Achieve continuous integration and continuous delivery to get your software to market faster and more reliable. So these are the main features. One is code commit, automated build, automated test, and deployment. In code commit, the user can develop his software, write and code, and commit their changes to the next branch. So with that committed message, so which helps other developers to understand what one developer is doing and what has the changes he has made. So next one is automated build. Code compile and dependency resolve. So automated build is first the other developers can compile the code, check the dependencies. If there is no merge conflicts, then they can merge that code. So the next one is automated test, unit test, integration test, and functional test. So it is the main part. The testing is the main part. So where users test their software with more number of inputs. And the next one is deployment. After successfully commit, build, and testing, the next part is to deployment of the code, where the developed software is deployed to the cloud, for example AWS. So it can easily reachable to the customers. So here application deployed to the target environment, which after the deployment of the software, the user can easily use it and give feedback on the development of the software.
Good morning everyone, I am Megha Hiremath with some computer science and engineering. I am here to discuss about the further slides. First, collaboration and dashboard, real-time insights. Azure DevOps provides integrated tools for team communication, real-time reporting, and customizable dashboards, ensuring everyone is on the same pages and progress is transparent. Dashboards, customizable view of the project status, metrics, and trends. Here we can view the project status and metrics and trends of the project. We centralize the knowledge base for documentation. Here we can get the knowledge of the document. Next, team communication. Integrated tools for discussion and updates. We can get the updates of the project tools, integration. Next, messages should be simple, direct, and easy to understand. avoid jargon unless everyone understands. Analytics, gain insights into team performance and project health. Be creative, integration with Azure cloud services, strong security and company support, automated scaling and development workflows. Enterprise-grade CI/CD and collaboration tools supports hybrid and multiple cloud sunsets. Next, integration with the DevOps lifecycle. Azure DevOps is integration with the DevOps lifecycle. Azure DevOps is designed to seamlessly integrate with a wide array of tools, acting as a central coordinates for our entire DevOps lifecycle ecosystem. It connects the dots across planning, development, and operation. They are Jira, GitHub, Jenkins, Kubernetes. These are the tools used. Next, conclusion benefits of Azure DevOps for Azure by unifying diverse tools and emphasizing Azure principles. Azure DevOps empowers the team to achieve greater transparency, accelerate delivery, and enhance the software quality. Enhance the transparency, real-time visibility into projects, status, and new process across all stages. Accelerate delivery, automated CI/CD pipelines, significantly reduce time to market, improve quality, integrated testing, code reviews, and feedback loops ensure a high